In this video, I want to show you how you can use bonuses to increase your sales. You'll recall at the beginning of the course, I told you that we were going to outcompete our competitors. Well, this is a really neat and inexpensive way to do just that. Whatever your product is, there must be some small additional bonus that you can offer your potential buyer to tempt them to buy from you as opposed to somebody else. Now, the two most obvious examples of that is some sort of ebook, some sort of information product that you can make downloadable for free when the people buy from you, or alternatively, an accessory that will go with the product that you're selling and will enhance it. So if you look at a few examples, if you're selling a kitchen item of some kind, then maybe you can offer a recipe book or some sort of, again, some sort of ebook which will help them with their cooking, whatever it is, some tips and tricks, but just think creatively and make it relate to what you're selling. If you're selling a luncheon box, maybe it's recipes for quick and easy, low-calorie, healthy lunches, whatever it might be. If you're selling a pet product, maybe you can add some sort of simple grooming product. Everybody always needs a brush for their dog or their cat, and that's relatively inexpensive and easy to do and shouldn't complicate things too much. You'll obviously have to organize these at the supplier level and try to get them shipped together with your supplier. Alternatively, I guess you could have a separate listing for the product and get some sort of link up. But the simplest way is to get your supplier to deliver your products with the accessory and with the bonus included. So it's very easy for Amazon. If you're looking at a photographic product, then maybe a lens cover, some sort of lens brush, maybe some sort of case, something easy again for you to add that will enhance and excite your potential buyer. So it's all about sourcing a product which is going to be inexpensive for you, but which is going to maintain the quality of your overall offering. If it costs you a few dollars, then obviously that'll eat into your margin, but the value to the buyer may be a multiple of that, maybe 5 times what you have to pay for it. And is it worth spending an extra $1 or $2? Think of it as a marketing cost, if nothing else. At the heart of it, everybody loves a deal. And given the choice between buying your item and a similar item to yours without the bonus, then they're going to be tempted and they'll go for the bonus. So I encourage you to think creatively about how you can enhance your product offering with bonuses to increase people's inclination to buy from you rather from the other guy. So that's it. How to use bonuses to increase sales. Very simple little tactic really, but with a little bit of creative thinking and organization, it can lead to greatly enhanced sales. Why not give it a try?